Servant of humanities, admirer of all religions. Hello friends, I am here to introduce mission of International Institute of Theology, IIT. Although we follow the principles of humanitarianism, we don't forget the messages and demands of our religions. We are not the flag bearer of the unity of religions, but respect all religions and their followers. As it is said that there are around 4,300 religions across the world, and 75% of world population is divided into 7 major religions. According to the Republic, Greek Theologia was used for discourse on God around 380 BC. It was adopted to describe for Christianity in 14th century. Its meaning has expanded in 17th century, and this term is being used to refer to the study of religious ideas and teachings that are not only confined to Christianity. With religious study, now we also use theology for other studies. Theology, therefore, is not only limited to comparative study of religions and study of any specific religion, but its scope is very comprehensive. The world is getting the shape of a global village, and the social, cultural, educational, literary, and linguistic impact of globalization can be felt in every aspect of life. This global change did not only make this universe more beautiful, but also brought about some crisis to human life. In the same way, this global village sometimes faces a doubtful situation due to apparent or minor contradictions of science and religion. In fact, this phenomena also gravitationally gained the interest of people towards theological studies. Whenever we talk about religions, our minds reflect the partiality, grudges, and insanity. This is also an unanimous fact that the religious people have been intoxicated with some subordinate principles of religion, and the teachings of religion began to be judged only on the basis of their doings and deeds. Although religions have different ways of prayers and beliefs, every religion is similar in some respect regarding tolerance, brotherhood, harmony, peace, sympathy, kindness, and human dignity. Following this uniformity, the global village can be beautified and the crisis of human life can be reduced to least. Indeed, the foundation of International Institute of Theology is determined to promote this very uniformity and oneness of religions. It must be borne in mind that we only concentrate on the uniformity of the religions and not on the prayers and beliefs. However, we have to pay attention to beliefs and basic tenets of concerned religions for finding and understanding the religious uniformities. It must be understood that there is big difference between knowledge of faith and acceptance of faith. We will thus employ religious beliefs only to introduce concerned religions but not to promote them. Once again, it is being emphasized that we are not champion of unity of religions. To put it another way, a syllabus will be prepared with comprehensive understanding of different religions only for imparting knowledge and underscoring the uniformity in them, but not for many reasons. We will not give priority to any religion through this syllabus, and for this we are trying our level best to reach different religious scholars who are experts and have profound knowledge in their respective fields. After having gone through our syllabus, if anyone would then like to seek more information about any particular religion, we will introduce him or her to one of several scholars included in our contributors list. And now, here are the aims and objectives of our International Institute of Theology. Number 1. The first rule is that there is no rule. For the promotion of mission, every rule is welcomed. Number 2. To collect the sacred books of different religions. Number 3. To prepare a syllabus for introduce the different religions. Number 4. to prepare a syllabus for getting information about different religions, not for accepting the beliefs and beliefs of all religion. Number 5, to contact the person who wants to debate on the religious beliefs and beliefs of all religion to religious expert and famous scholars. Number 6, to manage the meetings with those aware of basic teachings of a religion. Number 7, after meeting, they will be requested for granting their valuable time to promote the mission. Number 8, to maintain the absolute respect for every religion. Number 9, less engagement with the beliefs and practices of religion. Number 10, to make sure the harmony, tolerance and human dignity. Number 11, to establish the department for comparative study of religions separately. Number 12, to build a library. Number 13, to collect the books of different genres and languages in the library to reach out maximum people. Number 14, after meeting the clerics, to make possibility of reaching to common people of respective religion. Number 15, to work with those institutions that is already working for coexistence and interreligious closeness. There are some rules what basically are not the strong principles or outline of solid aims and objectives, but a way to understand each other. Or else the International Institute of Theology IIT Pulwal under Taskhir Foundation will continue to work and will get experience from many institutions and great scholars, and the rules will get developed it. For further detail, you may contact Taskhir Foundation, Head Office, A Block, Street number 1, near Gurudwara, Budh Vihar, Mandoli, Delhi 93. Our phone number 8148828003. Another number 8287287092. Our bank account number is 3009101068441. Our IFSC code is CNRB 0003009. For more updates, you may visit our website www.internationalinstituteoftheology.com. Thank you so much.